Yo, what's up YouTube? This is the file and I'm going to show you my prototype pen gun. It's a very simple machine and yeah, very simple to make. All you need are oh, all you need are two big pens, mechanical pencil, Scotch tape or any kind of tape, and a rubber band. Now, everything you do is pretty simple, and this is the final product you would get. Now, this is just a prototype to my pen gun. I'm still kind of in the works of designing it. And really it consists of two pieces. The frame, body, whatever you call it, and then the thing that shoots it. Now, it's pretty simple. Like I said, rubber band, tape. This cap just got made out of the tape that was on. Dried out or something, I'm not sure. And the inside of a mechanical pencil. Now, this is made out of two Bic pens. Now, it can be any kind of Bic pen, like as long as it's the cap ones. Now, what you do is remove the cap, and this piece you take out with scissors or anything that can grip it. And it should come out with, like, you know, the tip. And then once this is taken out, it has kind of a little circular thing here. What you want to do is either take something and poke it out, or cut it. Now, I cut it since it's faster and easier. And you do that twice with two Bic pens. Then you take one Bic pen and cut it in half. And then I would recommend taking one half and putting it to make a longer muzzle, something like that, so then it could shoot better. And then the other half must be put like this, as a handle, and something must be sticking up here, so the rubber band can latch onto it. Now, once you have this, tape it all together. And now, as for this, it's pretty simple to get. This is the Bic mechanical pencil, the way you buy it. Now, what you do is take this cap off, and this black thing, all you do is push it down, cut this off, and then all you'll see is this little black thing still sticking out as well. Cut that off, and it should slide out pretty easily. And then it'll come out like this, except here it gets a little thinner, and it also has a little more black things. So you cut that off, and yeah, so it's made from that. And then you take the rubber band, like so. Take one side of the pencil, I guess, put it like this, and latch it on to both sides. So the rubber band is on both sides. Take the tape and tape it around here. Now, this is the cap that was formed by the tape for me. I don't know how or why, but still, it's pretty good. Put that on, and take the other side, the rubber band off. Now, put it in the designated slot, put it inside, and now you take the rubber band and latch it over this. Now, this is the simple way to do it, but the pen gun isn't as strong. So what you do is, out of these two pieces, you take this, pull it to the side, and pull it under this, and you let go, so it forms something like this. It shoots harder, shoots better, can shoot a few things actually. Some caps, depends. The big caps I wouldn't recommend. Maybe a cap that's a little bigger, you gently put on, and it will shoot it. It can also shoot ink cartridges from pens. All you do is simply slide it in, and it must be lifted up while doing this. Pull back, and bam. And it can also shoot custom-made arrows. Now, this I made in less than like 5 minutes. The glue took a while to dry. This would be the safest because it doesn't hurt that much, and it can't really go too far. So, shoots like that. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So, hope you like it, and subscribe.